Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be doing our sixth and final Transformers Seeker jet here, and this is Transformers Generation 1 Ramjet. And this is another fantasy jet based on an F-15 Eagle body with made-up wings, and this one also has extra booster engines. So let's get right into the build. So as you can see here, we already built the other 5 Seeker jets. They're Starscream, Skywarp, Thundercracker, and then Thrust and Dirge. So this will be our final one. And I'm going to build it in the sky, but you can build it on the ground. If you're on the ground, you're going to want to come on the second block up off the ground. And this is going to be on the front. We're going to take smooth quartz block, and we're going to do a line of 7 smooth quartz blocks coming back. Then a polished blackstone block, and a smooth quartz, and 2 polished blackstone. Then 4 smooth quartz slabs on this upper hitbox on the back. Then come up front, and we're going to put an upside down smooth quartz stair here. Then 2 smooth quartz top slabs. Then 1 slab here, and behind this a full row of smooth quartz all the way to the back. And then 1 smooth quartz top slab on the very back. Then we'll come up front again, 1 block back, and do a red cut sandstone slab. Then 4 blocks and another cut red sandstone slab. Behind this, 3 smooth quartz slabs right here. Then we're going to come up here, align with the second cut red sandstone block on the top edge of the smooth quartz, and put a polished blackstone slab, then an upside down polished blackstone stair facing forward behind it. Then 4 polished blackstone blocks right here. Repeat on this side. So right here, a polished blackstone slab, then an upside down polished blackstone stair facing forward. Then 4 polished blackstone blocks here. Then, behind that, still on that top outer edge, we're going to put a single smooth quartz block, and then 2 polished blackstone blocks. Repeat on this side, so 1 smooth quartz here, 2 polished blackstone here. Then we're going to take smooth quartz stairs, and we're going to make them facing inward up here. And we're going to put a row of 4 right here, facing inward. Then turn around in a row of 4 right here, facing inward. On the back, a single inward facing deep slate tile stair on either side. Then we're going to put a deep slate tile bottom slab here and here. And then a second slab on the bottom of those 2. Then a deep slate tile stair upside down facing outward here, and upside down facing outward here. Then in front of this, still with upside down outward facing stairs, we'll do a smooth quartz, 2 polished blackstone, and a smooth quartz. Same thing on this side, a smooth quartz, 2 polished blackstone, and a smooth quartz. Then, in front of that, we're going to do 2 polished blackstone stairs, upside down, a smooth quartz, and then 2 polished blackstone. Same thing here, so 2 polished blackstone, smooth quartz, 2 polished blackstone. Then a polished blackstone slab here in this corner, and a dark oak trapdoor here. Same thing here, so a slab and a trapdoor right here. Next, come up here and put 2 acacia trapdoors on the top middle of this cockpit. And then we're going to switch to dark oak trapdoors over on this air intake on the side and start on the front of it. And we're going to do 3 dark oak trapdoors here, then 4 iron trapdoors. Same thing on this side, 3 dark oak, 4 iron. Behind this, 2 dark oak trapdoors on either side of the top on this polished blackstone here and here, and then a line of iron trapdoors down the middle to the back. Then on this top outer edge back here, start on this stair and do 6 polished blackstone walls up here. And same thing on this side, 6 polished blackstone walls right here. Now we're going to come on this second wall from the front on each side and put a single polished blackstone brick slab on either side here and here. Behind it, a black concrete on either side and another slab on top. Behind that, we're going to do a column of 2 black concrete on either side, and then a slab on top again. Then, behind this, we'll do 2 columns of 3 black concrete on each side, and 1 slab on the very back top here, and 1 slab here. So these tail fins look like this. Now this one has these extra booster engines, so right here, we're going to take chiseled polished blackstone and we're going to put 4 of them right here. Then on the front of it, we need to do a single polished blackstone brick slab, but that's wrong, it needs to be a top slab. So make sure it's on the top in this corner right here. And then we're going to put 4 slabs on top of this, and on the back, a deep slate tile top slab right here for the extra engine. Then repeat on this side, so we'll put 4 chiseled polished blackstone blocks right here. And then again, we're going to go to polished blackstone slabs, and we're going to put a top slab on the front right here, 4 slabs on top of this, and then a deep slate tile top slab right there for the other engine. Next, we'll start doing our wings, and for that we're going to take out mangrove slabs, and we're going to come on the back top edge of this chiseled polished blackstone, and we are going to make a 3x3 square, leaving the middle open right here. Then in the center, put a purple slab. Then on this back corner, we're going to put 2 slabs going right here like this. And then we're going to repeat on the other side. So a 3x3 square of mangrove here, and a purple slab in the middle, and then 2 coming back on this corner like that. So it looks like this. Then we're going to come diagonally over from this corner, do 2 slabs here, come in diagonally, do 2 slabs, come in diagonally, 2 slabs, and in diagonally one more time, and do 2 slabs here. And then we'll just fill in the rest of this wing where all these holes are with mangrove slabs. Then on this front corner here, put a mangrove trapdoor right there. So it's looking like that. So it just comes in by 2 each time. And we're going to repeat on this side. So come in right here, do 2 mangrove slabs, come in diagonally, and we're going to do 2 mangrove slabs again, and then 2 again, and just fill in all behind it as well. And then 2 here, and a trapdoor here. Then I think we're going to take this wall out and put a slab in, and this wall and put a slab so there's no holes on the wings. And then actually these wingtips angle down, so these 2 corner slabs on the back, we actually need to move them down by 1 hip box, like that. And we'll repeat on this side, so come over here and move these 2 final end slabs down by 1 hip box here, so they angle downwards, like that. And now the wings are done, so it should look like this from the top. And then we'll do the landing gear. So we're going to come under the front on the second smooth quartz block back and put a grindstone going this way. And then behind it, a birch hanging sign. Then we'll take out a block of coal for the back wheels, and we're going to come back here, aligned with this stair, and we need to come diagonally over by 1 like this. And same thing on this side, diagonally over by 1. Then we'll put a stone button on the side of each of these wheels, then a birch fence gate here and here, and open 2 dark oak fence gates in the center. And that completes the landing gear. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our Transformers Generation 1 Ramjet fighter jet. I hope everyone enjoyed this build, and now we're finally complete with all 6 of the Generation 1 Seeker jets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.